What ChatGPT can do, these are the possibilities. It is a chatbot, that means it can talk like a human, it can reply to your questions, and he has vast amount of knowledge base up to September 2021. So they have limited knowledge after that, but up to that period it has lots of knowledge, you can ask in any area and it will respond you. It can do the translations. So translations means it can convert from one language to another, like it can talk to means if you provide English, it can convert into French and respond back. If this is a text completion also, that means if you could not complete any statement and you have half statement, it will complete that. For example, like you want to say Narendra Modi's father name is, and dot dot dot, and you send that prompt to this chatbot, it will reply with his father's name, with like Damodar Das Modi, like something like that. So I am just taking Indian example, Indian politics example, so that you guys can understand. He is a very big celebrity here in India. After that, embeddings. So it can embed the text wherever you want, like there are some rules and regulations which you need to follow, and it can embed your text in the place wherever you want. It can convert your speech to text also. This is very interesting. So whatever you speak, it will convert into text and give it back to you. So let's say you went to China or Hong Kong, let's understand, and the person in front of you don't know what to, means he don't know English and you don't know Chinese. So in that kind of context, this kind of use case is very, very important actually, And image generation, this is also very interesting. It can generate the images on the fly. He is very smart actually. I will show you the examples in my forthcoming videos. So it can generate the images very smartly. You can do the fine tunings and update the knowledge base of ChatGPT regarding your organization, not regarding whatever ChatGPT is known already. Why? Because you are not allowed to change whatever he knows already, and you can fine tune related to your organization only. Okay, so this is a different topic, so it's a very big use case. You may not come across this use case.